I'm going to run your test today on a 5.5 horsepower unit. This unit has basically a 7-inch diameter rotor by a little over 16 inches wide. Given the parts you have, you can probably go with our smallest unit, which is basically a 7x7 chamber, and that'll do about 100 pounds of this an hour of your material, if that's what you're looking for. And what I'm going to use in here is a 4mm screen. You can see the screen better when I go like that, and so that'll be able to take these pieces and cut them up pretty well. If you went with a larger screen, you get a lot of longs. The parts would just kind of flow through the unit, not get cut properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the video, and then I'm going to show you how to start the machine, and then start to load some of the product into the chamber. To turn on this low-speed unit is really simple. First is you press the system reset button, which makes sure your safeties, there's 3 safeties located on this machine, are all engaged and properly working. Then just press the green button, and now you can see the unit moving, the rotor. I'm just going to drop them in one at a time. This is to show you. And that's basically how a robot will drop it in. And then if someone should come by and just throw a handful in, a larger handful. See, the machine has no problem with your material at all. Throw in another handful. Doesn't put any stress on the machine. So going with a 180 by 180 millimeter screen, 4 horsepower unit would be no problem. It would handle that very easily. Just to give you a nice little rundown, I'll bring it down in there. I'm going to let the material process out, and then I'll show you what the end results look like. Here's the results of the test. This thing took like 2 minutes to do that whole box it just sent. We used a 4mm screen. Really nice particle size. No heat. Did a very nice job. What we'll do is we're going to take this material, bag it, and then we'll be sending it back to you for your review. But again, unless you're looking for something that's going to do 150 pounds an hour, I think you're better off going with the smaller machine, the 18x18 with a 4mm screen, and it'll handle 100 pounds of this material per hour.